Now in question 19, you have to work out the repayment size of the loan. It's to be taken out over 20 years, and then you've got to do an income test. Now banks have to make sure, or financial institutions have to make sure, that you're actually able to repay your figures and still have enough to live on. Now in some parts of Australia at the moment, that's questionable, but I'll work through this with you. Firstly, your conditions on your graphics calculator, just as we've done before, and the repayment figure that we're up for is $948.52. Now, would the loan be approved? Now, what we've got to do there is just to quickly work out a quarter of the 4,280, which is their income, which is $1,070, which is going to mean that they can be approved for the loan. Now, there's a change scenario. If they want to try to pay off their loan over a particularly shorter length of time, so with 120 and the other conditions the same, I'll just pause the tape to put those in. So just working through that change scenario, so say if they want to pay off in 10 years, 120 payments, the repayment figure that they want in this case is $1,307.70, which is obviously not going to be able to be covered by their income stream. So in this instance, we'd have to draw a conclusion that no, they won't be approved under these conditions. Now, the reality of it is that incomes go up over time, so it could be that whilst they can afford the $1,070, they might push that up to, say, $1,200. And the $1,200 is something that with an increased income, maybe $5,000 as they progress on in their lives, means they can pay this off and save some money. We'll look at scenarios like that later on in this particular